Coffee, music.
Hey y'all, so it's December 8th, Friday, December 8th. Y'all probably saw that quick little recap of what I did yesterday. If you know me, you know I love Christmas lights. I just love a good Christmas light show. I love that type of stuff. Christmas time is my favorite holiday, so I went to go see some Christmas lights here. Clearly it was real fun. I had so many little clips from it. But today I don't really have a lot going on. Today I'm literally locking into like looking for jobs. I was thinking about making some content, but I have no idea, or just like editing some content that I already have to like post for TikTok and Instagram. I have no idea though. We gonna see, because I don't know. I was just gonna like cook today. Honestly, it's just kind of like a blah day. I don't know, I don't even know. I do have to go get a package, so I have no idea what it is, so y'all don't see with me because I didn't even buy nothing, so I don't know what it could be, so we gonna see. I got the joggers on, socks and slides. Not ready to do anything today.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you.
Kiss products. Hey girl. They sent me some products because I really have not received anything from them in a while, so I thought they took me off the PR, I'm not gonna lie. But I love getting stuff from Kiss, whether it be nails, lashes. Absolutely love Kiss products down. So let me see what goodies they're sending for the holidays.
Bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you.
Things I did that, yeah, I'm about to get into it. I'm very excited. Y'all hear that? Good morning, y'all. Excuse the TV, you know I gotta watch my Spiel After Zach and Cody. Like, I always have that on. I literally have it on repeat all the time. Today is Saturday, December 9th, and I am gonna go ahead and go to the gym. It is 12:42, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get my gym workout in because I've been slacking. That, and then I'm gonna be going to the store to get some stuff for the vision board party tomorrow. So I will be taking you guys with me then. We're just gonna go to Dollar General or Dollar Tree. Probably Dollar Tree, and get a few things for the party. So yeah, I am gonna leave my camera here because I noticed that when I take my camera and stuff, I always want to make sure I get all these angles and content, and I don't focus on my routine. So I'm gonna leave my camera, but y'all will see me when we go to the store. I promise. But yeah, and I'm back. We are back from the gym. I actually made a TikTok while I was in the gym, so y'all follow me. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. But we're gonna go ahead and go to Dollar General now, or Dollar Tree, to go get the decorations and like some of the stuff that we need for the vision board party. So all right, y'all, we have made it. The lighting is bomb.com. I've never parked on this side because it's Walmart and whatnot and Planet Fitness over here. The sun on this side, I look good. The sun is really making my skin glow and I absolutely love it. So we are at Dollar Tree, so we're gonna go ahead and go inside.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done biting it.
I'm looking at these. I didn't even notice these. We're gonna take these out and get these.
Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad.
All right, y'all, so I got the stuff. I'm just so annoyed because if one thing isn't going wrong after another, I'll probably insert a video, but like with the Canon G7X camera, there's screws that hold up the flip part or whatever. Why did one of the screws fall out? Like, I'm just gonna go home and see if I can find another screw. If I can't, then I'm literally gonna have to buy one on Amazon, which I'm gonna be so irritated if I actually have to do that. And I hope this man isn't staring at me because I know I'm talking to myself, but hey. I'm so annoyed. Like, it's really holding on with one screw. The camera's leaning. You know what? I'm not gonna let it get to me. I'm not gonna let it get to me. We got the stuff, the cute stuff, period. I will see you guys when we get over to the apartment. We got one screw in the camera, but I'm gonna still keep the content going. Okay, we're gonna keep the content going. I'm gonna do a little haul, like a little Dollar Tree haul. I got some stencils for my girl, you know, for the poster. Then we got the poster. She told me either white or black, so got the white one for her. I got this little tray that I'm gonna use, this clear like tray that I'm gonna separate half and half because I'm doing Publix chicken. But I like to season my Publix chicken with lemon pepper, but I know some people don't like that, so we're gonna do half lemon pepper, half regular. All the clear like utensils and stuff were so cute at Dollar Tree, like what? Anyway, I got this bowl, so I'm gonna put all the candy in here. It might be overflowing because I got a lot of candy. I got some of these, I like these metallic because I wanted it to be clear and like silvery. I didn't want it to be all these crazy colors, so got silver, clear, metallic type of vibe. So yeah, I got these little paper plates. Got some gray napkins. It's the candy, y'all. There's more. I just wanted to try these, so I'm gonna throw these in the bowl too. And then like the most important thing, I really wanted wine glasses that were like real cute or whatever, because I'm gonna keep these. I don't even care. First off, they could be washed. I can just put them away. And just for when we have special occasions or people come over and they want to drink wine and stuff, you're getting a plastic cup, okay? I don't even want to deal with no glass breaking. With this, we're gonna be going through the plastic first. Look at that. Like, that is so cute. I'm sorry, I cannot wait to use these because, and it's that durable plastic. I'm squeezing it and there's no give. And then I also got these little plastic tongs for the chicken. Then I got the glue sticks for my girl Denise. That is it, you guys. That's probably it for today, you guys. I am going to go ahead and get all this stuff put away until I'm, you know, able to set up for tomorrow. Y'all will see me tomorrow because tomorrow we're going to church. Sunday, don't stop. We're gonna go to church and then like later on, we're gonna prep for the party. I'll see you tomorrow. Period. What you been dreaming, you got it. Got the face on. we're here. And I'm gonna make a TikTok, and I got like 20 minutes to make this little TikTok and go to church. We made it, y'all. 2 minutes late, but I gotta go ahead and get into this church house and get this word. Sorry, I got mints in my mouth, but I will see you guys when I come back out. Cause after church, I'm gonna have to go get the chicken for the party. So, cause I don't feel like getting it any time later. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the chicken so I don't have to do it later. So I'll see you guys when I come back out. This broken camera. At least the camera will be broken until tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm getting the screws from Amazon. But I am in the parking lot of Publix. Leaving church, I literally saw the scariest thing. I have never seen like a really bad car accident or like the aftermath of an accident. When I tell you that I literally saw someone's insides, like the person's, like, I don't even know if the person was pronounced like if they were dead or anything like that, but it scared me so much. Like everyone surrounding the body or whatever, and it's just like a bunch of cars, like it was like a pile up of cars leaving church. I'm seeing the person's like the inside, like the arm was separated from, like, oh Lord, like, oh no, I had to pray immediately. I'm so sorry, but that was the craziest thing. I'm praying for their family, whoever that was. I say it was like right next to the church, like literally right next to the church, like, so I don't know, but I'm praying for the families, the peace, because I don't even know what was going on, but I just couldn't, like, I've never seen that before in my life. So all right, let me go in here and get what I need so I can sit down somewhere, because that was insane. But I'll see you guys in a few. All right, you guys, what time is it? Yeah, it's almost 6. So I'll just go ahead. Actually, let me text everyone. Alright, you guys, so it's like almost, my face is through. I am oily. It is basically what, like 11, like 10:46. So the vision board party is over. I did a prayer to finish it out for us into the new year, and honestly I absolutely loved it. Like, I was so happy that we were able to actually get everything together, and it was just, it was so fun seeing me and all the girls, and then my sister included as well. Absolutely loved it. I don't know what I got planned for tomorrow, but I'll see you guys. And I just wanted to check in after vision board party, so love you guys. Hey guys, it is Wednesday, December 13th, confirmed. I got Mike and Molly in the back. I don't care what y'all say, Mike and Molly is funny. But I got my screws. It's been a minute since I picked up this camera. One, let me explain myself, because I think it's been like a couple of days since y'all saw, like, obviously Sunday vision board party. I really did not have the greatest of days. Monday and Tuesday, it was just not the great, really Monday. Just wasn't the greatest day. It's okay to feel off, but you gotta get right back into it, okay? With God on my side, I can do all things. I gotta get right back into it. Happy I got these little screws. I'm gonna fix this camera up, praying to God that the screws will work, because the man said on YouTube. I'm gonna make sure to leave it in my Amazon storefront, the screws, if they actually do work, because this is a must for people who own Canon G7Xs, because we always have the issue with our screen, the thing falling off, the screws falling out. Like, Canon, fix it. It costs too much money for the screws to be falling out. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little tinkering real quick, and I'm gonna come right back to see if it's actually worthy. Look at her. Success. I could kiss the man that made that YouTube video. I'll put it in my description box to give him the credit. But I'm also gonna put these screws in my Amazon storefront, because y'all, just like he said, I used the one that says 2.0 1.4 times 2.8, and this is a glasses and watches like screws box. This was the perfect match for this camera, this Canon camera. Listen, the thing is going nowhere. It is stuck. And I used these screws, like the one that the Canon came with, the black ones. It is so wobbly every time. Like, it's actually ghetto. Like, I have no idea why it's so wobbly every time. When I just retightened it, I just don't understand. But this, I'm moving the little thingy just to test it or whatever. It's tight up and it's stuck. Today is going to be my editing day, just so you guys know, so I can have it nice and posted. I just had to give y'all an update. Like, I'm happier now. The camera is nice and fixed. So excited. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and edit. So, see you.